Hello friends, welcome back to the online classes. Today I am going to take lesson number 8, Krishna and Sudama, for your revision. Now, you know the story very well about the great friendship of Krishna and Sudama. Here also we see the same thing. Now, Sudama was very poor. He was not having anything to eat. Even his children were feeling hungry, wife also. So one day wife told that you should go and meet Krishna and tell him about our problems and difficulties, and he will definitely help us. But for Sudama, it was not just. He thought that how could I ask him? He is the king, and I am just a poor Brahmin. But wife went on telling him about this. Finally, he decided that he will go and meet him. So wife told that you take this. He loves to have this boiled rice. So you take the rice along with you and give him as a gift from our side. So he went to meet him. When he reached to his palace, he felt a little shy and ashamed how to get in and tell him. But Krishna, feeling that he had come, he ran and came and hugged him and washed his feet and everything and took him to his palace. Krishna's wife, she also came running and took the blessings of him and served the food for him. Now, Krishna did not eat the food. He just took the gift what he had brought, the boiled rice, and he started eating that. When he had finished 3 hands of rice, the wife came, Krishna's wife came and said, give me also. Let me also taste Sudama's food that he has brought for you. And they both loved it. Now, Krishna asked 2-3 times to him that how are you, what are your needs, how things are going on. But he did not open his mouth. He just kept quiet, kept silent, and did not say anything to him. He just was saying that he is happy. He just came to see him. His old friends, many days, many years that we have not met. That's why I just have come to see you, to meet you. So they both sat there and talked about it, and finally they went on to the things. So they taught the things and all. He loved it very much, and then he asked permission to go home. So he went back home, and when he reached, he found his hut was removed, and there was a very big, a beautiful palace. So Sudama was very much confused that what is this? How come this thing came up? By the time his children came out, and he said that, come father, it is our own palace. So when they both sitting there, Sudama and his wife, they understood that the Lord knows everything, the needs of his people, and before you say anything, they will come to know and they will help you. That's what he understood. And the conclusion, or we can say the moral of the chapter is that we should always depend on the God, and whatever problems and difficulties we are having, we must inform to the God about it. I hope you have understood the chapter. Stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Thank you.